what's up everyone? This is Cowboy B. We're on the 300 Rxtx and we're gonna run the USB port. We ain't gonna run the BRP one. That one, take a little bit of your money, need that for gas. I'll show you this one, water resistant. Less than probably 10% of the price. How you run it and tap it, very easy. Okay, we got the USB here. We took everything out the back. You're only going to need this. Just stick it in here. And we're gonna screw it onto that. So we run it through. We're gonna get it all the way up here. Tap the power and ground. That's all we need to do. You'll be charging your phone with water. Okay, when you get in here, all you're gonna do, pull the plug on your speakers, and you're going to tap the red wire and the black wire. Obviously, red is power, black is ground. Fish your wires up to the column, and you get it on this side, and you're wired up. And obviously, when you put this back in here, it has the screw back on it, but you're not going to be able to reach up there and put that screw back on there. So I'm going to put a little bit of silicone on here and stick it on there so that way it'll stick in. And I'll show you the finished product. We'll be good to go. So I got to tighten up all these wires, and I got to cover the connections, electrical tape everything, and put it in nice and neat. So I'll show you that. All right, everyone. We got all the connections put together, so just gonna stuff the wires back in, silicone it up, and go. Once you get everything wired up, you're gonna put everything back. And cover everything up, bolt it back together. We'll show the finished product here in a second. Everything's done. All wired up. Just have to silicone it in place. Saves about 140 bucks.